Can you see yourself in the 2021 Audi Q7? This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer. Loaded with tech and crafted of fine materials, this impressive Q7 delivers style and substance. Big and powerful, yet lithe and a pleasure to drive. This handsome vehicle gives your family the quality they deserve. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, all-wheel drive, sun, moonroof, heated mirrors, power passenger seat, fog lamps, power liftgate, backup camera, wood grain interior trim. Satisfy your craving for quality and performance in this meticulously crafted Q7. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.